Hello, hello, hello again. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Um, in today's newspaper, in the daily newspaper of Tuesday, July the 28th, 2020, we have here only one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. There is also in this newspaper an additional with extra Sudokus. I think 5 or 6, but we will solve first this one, a Sudoku Medium, and this will be number 1, 2, 3, 7. Yes, and before I start, I always count the printed numbers in this Sudoku. So let me count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Plus 4 is 13. Plus 4 is 17. 18. Plus 4 is 22. Plus 4 is 26. So if you compare with the 1, 2, 3 star Sudoku and 4 star Sudoku, this will be a 2 stars Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only two places for the 9, here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. Then, 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 7 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only two places for the 2, here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, first column, 2 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only two places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 5 and 8. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column. For the numbers 5 and 1, we see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the middle column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So in that column, the only place for the 5 should be here. 1 box left in this column for the number 6, I believe. 6 is missing, yes. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 8. No, 8 we have, 6 and 3. We have a 6 here, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. These two numbers, the 4 and the 8, I marked them for you so it's easier to follow. 5 in this row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 5 should be here. 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column. So the column between the second column The only place for the 5 should be here. 5 in this third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 5 here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the middle row, the only two places for the 2 here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column. So in the column between, the only place for the 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And then 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 6 should be there. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. There are 6, no 6 in those 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here or could be there. So in one of those 2 boxes, could be a 6 in this row. We have a 6 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 6, here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 6, here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 6, here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And I remember these 2 boxes should be one of them a 6. We have a 6 now, so no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. Let me see. 2 numbers left in this column. For the numbers 4 and 8, we have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 4 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 8 should be there. Then we have an 8 here, so we have an 8 now, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be the 4. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 8 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 8. 1 box left in the first row for the number 4. 2 boxes left in the last row for the numbers 4 and 7. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 4 here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. One number left in this row for the number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there, and all the 1s are used, I can see. Yes, alright, digit number 5. How about these two numbers in this big square? For the numbers 9 and 3, we have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this big square. For the number 7, 1 number left in this third column for the number 7. 1 number left in the second column for the number 9. 1 number left in this big square for the number 3. 1 number left in this row for the number 9. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. 3 and 7, we have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 3 goes there. 1 number left in the last column for the number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 8. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 8 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Wow. I'm very pleased. Very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. See you next time. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the additional with extra Sudokus. Bye bye for now.